We've been friends since high school, and this is us reminiscing our achievements so far.
First is ako. Dapat mo clap mo, ha? So far, after high school is, nakagraduate ko high school, senior high school. Next is, took my dream course and still ongoing gihapon siya. I was able to work in BPO after 2 years. I also got my driver's license. So, achievement siya for me kay naka-car ko and, wala ko naka-car. Naka-drive ko og car and motor. Next is, I was able to establish my small printing business.
Oh my God, so proud of you, girl.
Minecrafts. I'm able to travel Cebu and Bohol as well, and also some parts of Luzon. And that's
Yay!
next.
So, this is my achievement so far. So, first, I am able to pass my certifications exams, the bookkeeper and the CSE. Ay, ito sa na. No, ginturog din mo. Next is I graduated college. Recently, I got my first job and earned my first salary.
Wow!
Sulo na guys, sige. Pila-pila ko i-remit ninyo. Charis. Last, kay I've been able to provide for my family. That's all.
Yay! Congrats!
Thank you. The nurse.
Hello.
Ah.
Ako achievement sa life kay ako ang first graduate sa among family. The pressure is giving charis. Legally found my partner after 4 years and nakita na nako ako ang cellphone na nawala.
Hello everyone, and I have no achievements. One of 202. So my achievement is, despite being a working student, I was able to graduate first overall in my college and as a magna cum laude as well. Yes, yes, yes. Also, I am working happily now. Achievement siya so far kay I got closer with my family now. Yes. Nalagitan may group chat sa among family, guys, which is an achievement. And I survived everything. Ako gabata na God is good all the time. Yes. Congrats myself. You're welcome myself.
Hi. Okay, to myself, congratulations. Uy, kayo First on the list kay, same nila, naka-finish ang college. Kay, si Bianca na pressure kay siya yung first, ako kay na pressure kay ako yung last. Okay, so naka-finish. Next is, nanay valid ID. Di pa na ni Bianca. Ang valid ID, national ID. And nana sa e-gov. So, nawa man ang katong physical nga copy. So, nanay e-gov. Okay. And then, na-conquer na ako balik akong fear mo adto sa mga mountains. Kay, basta. Naka-student leader sad before pag college kay di na tao ganahan ato pero sige na lang i-try na to out sa tong comfort zone. Pero nibalik na pud sa comfort zone. Ni-out na ka diyon, pero mabalik ra good. Like, kapuyag atin. May na bitaw, pero okay ra. At least na try. Try out. Ni-try out sa shell. Uwi kayo eh. Nibalik na gyapon. Next is, naka-travel alone. So, some places lang, pero at least alone. And lastly, kay na-fix na jud akong PSA. Kaya na something wrong ato, pero karon kay okay na. Okay, I think that's all for now, but soon you will discover unsa pa. Uy! Bye-bye, guys.
Hi guys.
Hello.
So achievements so far, I can say that small steps, small wins. So first achievement, my friends from high school kabog ni sila na I've been a student leader, ganahan ko mo lead og people. I'm in an girl scouting. So first achievement nako sa college is naka-lead ko og people. Dili lang basta people but a big crowd good. I'm in an ROTC and I'm happy kay I was able to share the dream that I want to become, and karon sila na pud ang ni step sa composition, which is na-inspired sila nako and ila na gid kung asa na sila karon. So big achievement na siya. Second is during my OJT during my OJT sa hotel at kanang kamaw magita mo kanang mudaog guest. So I've got tips. So naabot po to siya og 30. So,
30,000?
oh, pero wala na ko nausa tanan kay every day I was able to help my parents by dili na ko mangayo og pliti nila, big achievement na siya for me kay wala na nawala na oh. And kanang every tanaw na ko makabay na ko every week kay magpayad ko og grocery. Happy kay sa heart bitaw makita sa ref nga naay food and kanang gikan ako ba, so happy lang kaya akong heart ana. Then ang third is not met, but at least Papa know that Marco exists. So hopefully kanang God will provide si Papa mailailan niya si Marco, and at bahalag wala pa niya na meet karon, at least kabaw siya nga naay Marco nga na-exist akong life. And lastly is that I graduated and wala ko ga-expect nga makakuha ko any honors or Latin, as well as kabaw ko nga kanang memorable bita akong whole college, but yes, I graduated cum laude and I'm proud of that. And again, all of these are just small wins kay we are facing the real battle right now, but at least I'm happy with it kay yes, I'm achieving it with my friends at as well nga napoy mga achievements silang life. Thank you.
Yay!
Ako na si Marco, guys. Ang ni-exist. Ni-exist na ko sa life siyang papa. So, my first kay able to survive and to finish college and to get my course. Second kay we're able to achieve little things with my partner. We dream together little and we get one step closer at a time. Third and last is that I was able to know what I want to be in the future and to work on in the little steps in the future as well.
So I'm very grateful with my goal of achieving to become an engineer. So I am here, graduated my degree, and survive with my head up high. Even kanang sa those 4 years, grabe ang hardship. Every time nga graduating, kay daghan kay mga problema. So from senior high, gibagyo pa mi ato, COVID, and karon college kay na-face me og above the head nga baha, but we're still here and sunog and linog within the same month. So I am happy and this is my achievement that I am here with my friends and to have many more happy moments with them. And with my greatest achievement is that with all the hardship I face, I am still healthy and kicking.
Ako si Clifford. First song na lista is being an MSA scholar. So it really indeed provides many opportunities sa kaning field. Kaning course nga akong ginatake karon is not really in my like wala siya sa akong choices or yes plan. But on the brighter side, nakita ko way nga ako ni like gi-accept na nako nga anin ako nga field, and along the way wala ko'y regrets na nakuha. And then musunod akong next nga achievement is chill lang akong college life tunga din yung program. Wala ko'y problema financially, like eskwela lang, kunay buhaton, kaon, tulog. Wala akong ideal nga college life. Next is pag tungtong na og college, like nakasuhay naman ko laing program kadong first is nursing. So adto na ako namulat nga lisod gyud sa college life nga walay kaling about sa academic achievements, bisag unsa og persige lisod gyud kuha. Pero right now wala na ako mga nakakuha gyapon kog mga academic achievements as I've completed the classroom instruction sa kaninga program. Next is being able to like makapalit og gawon nga motorcycle. So with that, easy lag, more lags. Last is achievement, growing stronger and fonder with my partner. That's all.
Salamat ka na-mention ko ni mo, love. Kaya wala ka na-mention.
Alay, balik ni.
Balik sa guys. Sorry. By the way, i-answer siya na ako nga grateful sad ko nga naa si John sa kong life. Like for almost 6 years na me together, but since high school jud, so parang nag-grow na sa me together, and it is so nice po. And daghan siya challenges, pero we're going stronger ever since. And also guys, is to sum it up, kay almost, I mean, sila yun tanan, except naman ni Jan, kay wala pa mi ka-graduate, sila tanan, graduate na sila. But it doesn't mean, I mean, I feeling, wala ko na envy, wala ko na suya sa inyo ha, pero, alam mo yun, parang na left behind be left behind me, but, kala ko ba nga, parang left behind kay ko sa akong group of friends, then ako kita na si Jan, ko, wala, left behind na sa nagkalaw, but,
At least nagkaramay.
at least nakakaramay siya rin. But yeah, life is not a race. So kanang happy and contented ra man sad mi kung asa mi karon. So but still achievement gyapon na nga naam gyapon ongoing gyapon mi to achieve that dream nga makagraduate. Yeah. So
We're looking forward.
Congratulations.
congrats to us.
Again, everyone, congratulations, everyone.
Thank you.
Just
thank you.
do it.
Daga na ba yung mga seasons ng mga nilabay, tapos we are still here seeing each other, and that I think that life didn't separate like wala tayo separate sa life bisag unsa ka busy and everything, and we still find time for each other, and we just have to do it.
No, time didn't change us.
And I'm very proud of us because we survived. Amidst all the adversities that we face, we are here. We just do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay!
So guys, wait lang. Sorry, walay api lang guys, ani. This is from Minecraft. So naka-gift nila guys. Secret sa This is actually a ref magnet of us each, like graduation picture. Ay, sorry lang. Okay. Nagusa-usa ganita ninyo. Ay, nakuha sa imo habiyang.
Oh, so sweet of you, girl. Alagin sana. Go palagi ni.
Peace card.
Gani mag-explain. We're the best. So, picture sa ishi.
How cute, ano
Uy,
yun?
pwede lang ni. Kinsa man ni. Wala ko kaya.
So, wala ni San si Jenny og tinarong niya nga pika to gito ko i-prate ng bati kay.
Mauna lang.
Sige.
Ka-cute,
Ano,
ani.
dalawa?
Uy.
Saan man?
Ka-cute, ani.
Pwede pa picture na
Thank you.
Thank you.